Hey guys, here it is. See that? Look at that popping. Look at all that popping. There's shit popping in this thing. What the Yeah, I don't know why it's popping. But again, it's the Briggs & Stratton 300 series. It's a 125 cc's. That's probably somewhere around like 9 horsepower. I don't know. Maybe less horsepower. I can't tell. It does run good. Motor's great. Guess I must. The blade on this thing is magnificent. That is a nice blade on here. Oh, I can't get it. Yeah, that's a nice blade. It's not too rusted. Sharp, but it's chipped a bit. Oh well. Can't do it all. Actually, I can see. Yeah. Sorry guys, I can't get the light on while recording. If I can get that little cup off there, I can see what's in there. Yeah, it's a nice little engine. It's a nice little engine, but here you go. Good old Briggs & Stratton. Dang. Oh. Whatever it was, I can't tell. I'll have to take off the engine cover. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.